Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decorating my house for fall. I think I'm just going to be doing the living room and the kitchen. I may stick some things in the bathroom, I'm not really sure. Today is also, there's going to be probably a lot of distractions, so just bear with me. We have a horse in our house. And we also have a loud, almost 4-year-old that's just kind of wandering around and making messes as we go. So just bear with me. We're going to do the best that we can here. And I'm going to show you everything that I got. Fall is probably one of my favorite holidays to decorate for. I just love the colors. Other than Christmas, Christmas is my favorite. But I'm so excited about this, and I can't wait to show you guys everything that I have. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of go through and show you everything that I have. Yep, that's nice. Those pillows over there, I know. I'm going to be putting those on. I actually had those last year. And then this base here is new. I'm going to be putting some stems in there. I think putting that on my table. But just kind of some little things. I don't know if I'm going to be using every little bitty thing. But probably majority of them. These are new. I actually had to steam these and they still look wrinkled. But it's like this weird stiff material, but they were extremely they were extremely wrinkly, but I think I'm going to use these 3. So those are new. I just have to put pillows in them. It's just the covers. It is soft, isn't it?
It's soft.
A couple of little signs, and then this pillow here, and then all of my stems and stuff are in there. And then here's some kind of random things. I don't know if I'm going to be using these. I'm just going to kind of see as I go. But that is everything, I think, unless something is hidden in our garage. Okay, so this is the horse I was talking about. Jax. Jax. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. You're a good boy, aren't you? So I am starting out in my living room. I wanted to vacuum the couch and get it all cleaned off. The orange pillows that you see me putting on later are the dreaded feather pillows. I honestly just didn't feel like going out and spending money on more pillows, so I am just using the ones from last year. But the pillows that have the feathers in them, I will never buy again. They stick to you and poke you every time you sit down. They shed all over the couch and they get stuck to your clothes. And I watched this one girl on YouTube, and she said that she has an entire couch that was filled with these feathers and she hated it, and I can see why. I would have to take the entire couch and throw it in the trash. I could not deal with that. But I grabbed some random pillows from our closet upstairs to put in my new pillow covers. I bought the 18 by 18 pillow covers, but the inserts were still not as full as I would like for them to be, but I just made them work. And I also brought in the pink pillow to fill the 3rd cover, but I didn't end up needing it. And as you can see, it's a feather pillow also, with it shedding everywhere. And then you have my daughter Paisley, who just wants to help me and be a part of the decorating process. You'll see her peek her head in and out here and there just to check out what I'm doing next. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. So now I am putting all of my stems together. I feel like I'm not very good at this, but I always struggle trying to make these look as good as possible. Some of them were cockeyed. I just tried to make it look the best I could and call it a day. But sometimes I think we are just too critical of ourselves when really we are doing a fine job. But sometimes, at least for me, it's hard to just stop and say, wow, I did that and it looks great. So I'm just trying to work on that, and I encourage all of you to do that as well. Even though things don't always look perfect the way that we want it to, We should give ourselves a pat on the back as mothers, homemakers, wives, and just be proud of ourselves for the effort and time that we take to make sure our homes are tidy and cozy and the work that we put into it.
And you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
I forgot to mention that this throw blanket that I am putting on the chair is from Amazon. I just love the color. I think it's a perfect fall color. And one thing that I have learned ever since starting my YouTube channel is that all colors that are the same don't have to be exactly the same, if that makes sense. I used to think, oh, this orange blanket doesn't match perfectly with this orange pillow because one is brighter than the other. But that is what is so fun about decorating. You can play around with colors and decorations, and 9 times out of 10, it turns out looking amazing.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
This shelf we bought shortly after buying the house about 2 years ago, and it's one of my most favorite areas to decorate, just because you can make it your own and play around with different things. I do get stumped when decorating this shelf though, as I have said before. You will see me placing things on one shelf and then switching it up and just seeing what looks best together.
I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home. Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away. Wide awake with an open mind, looking out from a mountain high. I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger.
We had just finished lunch around this time, so I wanted to get the kitchen table wiped down, and I just love the new vase that I am putting on this table I got from TJ Maxx. I checked the tag the other day, and it's actually from the Joanna Gaines line, and all of the stems that I am using are from Hobby Lobby, and I think I bought them last year, but they are just a good mixture of fall colors.
I'm searching, yeah.
And then these are the shelves that my husband built for me, and I didn't want to do too much, so I just left a lot of my regular decorations up and just stuck a few fall decor items on the longer shelf.
I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but
I wasn't sure if I showed you guys in my last cleaning video a couple of new pictures that I had put up. So I just wanted to show you. That's me and AJ from Florida. That was already there. That's me and my cousins and my sister. And this is from Paisley's dance recital. I'm trying to get it to where there's not a glare. That's from her dance recital about a month ago. And that was already there. That's from Christmas. And that's Landon at our condo in Panama. And that's also from last Christmas, also my family. I just wanted to show you guys. I put a few new ones in there.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
I hope you enjoyed my 2020 fall clean and decorate with me. I love to encourage you guys and give you guys ideas for your own home this fall. I just love sharing my home with you guys, so please stay connected and subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great week.